Welcome to the Sprint 2 demo for the Sool Embed project. We are just wanting to demo a few features that we implemented in the past week and talk about what's next for us. So the first thing I want to direct you to is back to our sandbox application, which we shared with you last week. This allows us to test our embedded viewer. So one of the main features we added in the file list is this ability to search the list. So now I can, if I have a long file list, I'm able to type in something, and I'm able to get a search results list back. So I can see now that I have 3 results back here, and it'll actually tell me how many items I have down here. So that's one of the new features we've added. We also have added this ability to preview an item. So if an item has a specific content type, like a JP2 image, I'm actually able to preview the image right here and there. I can also see a thumbnail of the file here on the side if a thumbnail is available. For items where a thumbnail isn't available, I still get a resource icon that is similar to the type it is. Another new feature added this week is the Metadata Panel. So I now have this button here at the bottom of our screen. I can click that, and I actually get a panel that pops up. Gives me the title, use and reproduction, and copyright metadata. I can close that by clicking the button again, or by clicking this X in the upper right-hand corner. So some other features that were added this week is the ability to define a max width and max height for an Embed object. Implementing this is part of implementing the Embed spec. And so now let's say I want to say a max width of 200 and a max height of 200. I can embed that, and you can see now I have a 200 by 200 embeddable object. It doesn't look great, but we needed to accommodate those parameters for the spec. I also have this option, hide title and hide search. This is another parameters that can be specified. So if I click hide search and click embed, you can see now the search functionality is no longer visible. Hide title, click embed, now the hide title is gone. So these are some new parameters added that allows a consumer of the Embed service to be able to have a little bit more customizable experience. We can see now too that using the Embed service still works in our test instance of SearchWorks here. So this is for an image viewer here. And for a file view, we have this as well. We can also see one new thing to add here is that on the file view, for objects that are available to Stanford-only patrons, we now, when we hover over the title, we also get a hover tooltip that lets us know that it's available to Stanford-only patrons. So I still get the metadata use and rights here, and also the file list with the number of items updated. So that's all we have this week. We're glad you joined in, and we'll see you next week.